Business Mastery: Why Most Fail and How to Build One That Lasts. Introduction: Starting a business is easy. Keeping it alive? That's the hard part. The truth is, most businesses don't fail because of the economy, competition, or luck. They fail because the people behind them never built the discipline, systems, and mindset required to survive. Today, we're breaking down the psychology of entrepreneurship, the real traits, habits, and strategies that separate the businesses that thrive from the ones that disappear. Chapter 1: Why Most Businesses Fail in the First 3 Years. The brutal truth: over 60% of businesses die within 3 years. Why? Because the owners don't understand cash flow, they mistake revenue for profit, and they try to grow too fast without building a foundation. The fix is simple, but hard. Track cash like oxygen. Stay lean until systems are solid. Build for survival before scale. Your first goal in business isn't getting rich, it's staying alive. Chapter 2: The character traits every successful entrepreneur has. Every industry is different, but the traits of successful entrepreneurs are the same. Resilience, because failure is guaranteed. Discipline, because motivation won't carry you. Adaptability, because the market will change. Vision, because you need a reason bigger than money. It's not about being the smartest, it's about being the one who refuses to quit. Chapter 3: How to Build a Business That Survives Without You. If your business dies the moment you step away, you don't own a business, you own a job. To build a business that survives without you, create systems people can follow. Train and trust others. Automate repetitive tasks. The ultimate test of a strong business is whether it can run without the founder in the room. Chapter 4: The Truth About Overnight Success Stories. Every overnight success you've seen, it was 10 years in the making. Behind every viral brand or billionaire founder are years of failures, pivots, and invisible grinding. The media skips that part. The truth is, success looks fast on the outside, but it feels slow and brutal on the inside. Don't compare your Chapter 1 to someone else's Chapter 20. Chapter 5: Why Discipline Beats Talent in Business. Every time. Talent is overrated. Discipline is underrated. A talented entrepreneur with no consistency burns out. A disciplined entrepreneur with average talent compounds effort over time and wins. Business is a game of endurance. The person who can show up day after day doing the boring work, that's the one who builds something lasting. Chapter 6: How to Handle Failure in Business Without Quitting. Failure isn't an obstacle in business, it's part of the curriculum. The entrepreneurs who survive aren't the ones who avoid failure, they're the ones who extract lessons quickly and keep moving. Reframe failure. Instead of asking, "Why me?" ask, "What is this teaching me?" Failure doesn't end businesses, quitting does. Chapter 7: The Secret to Building a Loyal Customer Base. Customers don't stay loyal because of your product alone, they stay loyal because of trust. The secret? Deliver more than promised, treat people like humans, not transactions, make solving their problem your mission. Loyalty is built in small, consistent acts of reliability. Customers don't remember perfection, they remember how you treated them. Chapter 8: How to Network Without Feeling Fake. Most people hate networking because they approach it selfishly. They go in asking, "What can I get?" Flip it. Real networking is about giving first. Ask, "How can I help?" Build genuine curiosity about people. When you stop treating networking like a transaction and start treating it like building friendships, the connections you make will actually last. Chapter 9: Why Purpose-Driven Businesses Win in the Long Run. Businesses built only for money rarely last. Businesses built on purpose survive setbacks. Purpose-driven businesses inspire loyalty from customers, employees, and even the founders themselves. When challenges hit, and they will, money alone won't keep you going. A mission bigger than profit will. Chapter 10: The 80-20 Rule Applied to Business Growth. The 80-20 rule says that 80% of your results come from 20% of your actions. In business, that means 20% of your customers create 80% of your revenue, 20% of your products generate 80% of your profit, 20% of your efforts create 80% of your growth. The key is to identify the vital 20% and double down. Stop wasting energy on the 80% that doesn't move the needle. Conclusion: Business isn't about luck, talent, or shortcuts. It's about resilience, discipline, systems, and purpose. Most will quit. Most will fail. But if you commit to learning, adapting, and showing up consistently, you can build a business that not only survives, but thrives. Remember, success in business is never accidental. It's built day by day, choice by choice. Subscribe to Character Forge for more videos on business, money, and building a life of discipline and freedom.